kids! Let's learn clean habits and healthy habits together. Are you ready? Hey, kids! Let's learn clean vs. dirty. Are you ready? This is Tommy the cat. Tommy learns how to stay clean and healthy. Let's clean together.
Keep eating places clean. Clean spaces help us stay healthy.
Let's sing together. Wash your hands and scrub away. Keep the dirt and germs away.
Clean your room and take a bath. Healthy habits are the path.
Clean and fresh from head to toe. Healthy kids will learn and grow. Now, kids, what do you clean every day? Hands? Toys?
Great job, kids! Tommy loved cleaning with you.
Great job! Now let's learn healthy habits with Tommy. Let's do healthy activities together. Are you ready?
This is Tommy the cat. Tommy wants to stay healthy and active. Let's move and play together. Running is healthy. Run fast, run slow. Exercise makes us strong. Tommy plays soccer. Kick the ball. Playing sports is fun and healthy. Move your body every day. Dance with me. Jump and spin around. Dancing keeps us active. Stretch your arms. Take deep breaths. Stretching helps our bodies relax. Water keeps us healthy. Drink water after playtime. Stay fresh and happy.
Let's sing together, run and jump and dance all day. Healthy habits help us play. Stretch your body. Drink some water, pal. Healthy kids grow stronger, smarter. Move and play and have some fun. Healthy activities for everyone. Now, kids, what healthy activity do you like? Running? Dancing? Great job, kids! Tommy loved staying active with you. Amazing learning today. Tommy loved staying clean and healthy with you. See you next time.